Hey everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to take a look at how to find the x and y intercepts from a linear equation given in standard form. Now, standard form is the third type of linear equation we're going to talk about. You can see the general form here. With standard form, your x and y are on the same side of the equal sign, and they have these coefficients that become important, especially when you're looking for your x and y intercepts. Now, standard form is one of the easier ways to find the x and the y intercept. That's one of the reasons we use standard form. Whereas slope-intercept form, you're only able to get the y-intercept very quickly. In this one, you're able to get both x and y-intercepts very quickly. All right, so let's take a look at a couple examples of how to find those. Okay, so here in this example, we're going to take a look at how to find the x-intercept. The way you do that is, we know that for the coordinate of an x-intercept, that our y-coordinate, when we're doing that, is 0. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to plug in 0 for y, and then I'm going to solve for our x-coordinate to get the x-intercept. Okay, so we're given the equation 3x plus 4y equals 24. We're going to plug in 0 for y. And we are going to then solve for x. 4 times 0, see how this goes away. So we get 3x equals 24. Divide by 3 on both sides. And we get x equals 8. Okay, so our x-intercept would be the coordinate 8, 0. It is that quick. That simple. All right, let's try to find a y-intercept now. So same idea, but we're using a different coordinate. Okay, now we're finding the y-intercept, which means that our x is going to be the number that we're setting equal to 0. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put my coordinate over here. We know that x is going to be 0, and this time I'm trying to find our y-coordinate. Same idea, plug in 0 for x, and then solve for y. Okay, 3 times 0, that's the part that goes away. And I get y equals, when I divide by 4, I get y equals 6. Okay, so that coordinate would be 0, 6, and that would be my y-intercept. All right, let's take a look at one more quick example. All right, so in this one, we're going to look for both the x and y-intercepts. I've already outlined the coordinates on the right side for us. So on the left side, let's find the x-intercept. On the right side, let's find the y-intercept. Okay, so for the x-intercept, we know we are going to plug in 0 for y, and for the y-intercept, we know that we are going to plug in 0 for x. Okay, so this side, we get 5x equals 60. Divide by 5. And we get x equals 12. And on this side, we know the x is gone, so we're looking for the y. Divide by -6 on both sides. And we get y equals -10. Okay, let's go up here and put them into our points. We get 12, 0, and we get 0, -10. All right, so again, as you can see, it's very quick, very simple on how to find the x and y intercepts from these. You can use this to find the x and y intercept given pretty much any linear equation. Standard form just tends to be the easier one because, as you can see, the equations are very quick. Once you get rid of either your x or your y, you're really only left with a one-step equation, okay, as you can see in these steps. Alright, so that's pretty much everything there is to know about finding the x and y intercepts of equations given in standard form.